Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. Shit for a ticket, I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, something feels like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. We all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna do for it? What you gonna be? Do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna do for it? What you gonna be?
Muy buen sábado. Hoy tenemos otra salita más de sábado. En el equipo hoy día vengo yo, el burro primero, el burro por delante, como se dice, Fabio en la Tornado 250 y Omar en el CRF 450. La idea es llegar hasta antes del Salto Colorado, que es Santa Mendoza, y marchar hacia la zona donde está la cascada de Cuba. Así que veremos si llegamos. Por lo pronto le vamos dando ahí a ver qué vemos. Ahí viene Fabio y Omarcito que viene atrás. Fabio, ¿cómo venimos? Omarcito, ¿cómo venimos? Vamos a ver qué recorrido hacemos. Parece que la lluvia ha sentado la arenita anoche.
yourself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I can see that they compare, I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Estoy agarrado. ¿Te tengo? Estaba apretado ahí, güey. Guarda. ¿Está bien? Espera. Volver un poquito para atrás. Vení, quédate aquí. Ahí, pegarle la soltadita en el ahí. Y la acelera. Ahora sí, ponele. Vamos, Marcito. ¡Vamos, Mar! Así, le di. ¿Está bien vos? Vamos. ¿Sabes que te grabé, Fabio?
Bueno.
Me venía grabando.
¿Me estás grabando?
Está prendido.